The key to preserving your lean body mass is making sure you get enough protein at every meal. Most of us do get plenty of it, but did you know that how often you eat protein is as important as how much? Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Soden with a smart tip about protein. Every year you lose some of your lean body mass. It's what pretty much everything in your body, except fat, is made of, meaning your skin, bones, and parts of your organs and muscles. Once you hit the not-so-ripe old age of 40, your lean mass starts to shrink by 8% each decade. Fast forward to your 70s, and the shrinkage nearly doubles to 15% per decade. The key to preserving your lean body mass is making sure you get enough protein at every meal. Most of us do get plenty of it, but did you know that how often you eat protein is as important as how much? That's because unlike fat or carbs, your body can't store protein. Eat more than you need and it gets socked away as fat. Eat too little and your body will simply tear down your lean mass to get more. In other words, your body needs a steady supply of protein. So divvy it up throughout the day. Try 2 tablespoons of peanut butter on your whole wheat toast. That's 11 grams. A quarter cup of nuts, 5 to 10 grams. A cup of veggie chili beans, that's about 16 grams. You'll stay satisfied throughout the day and your body will stay nice and lean.